Okay. Kami kasi, I'm part of the UP Mountaineers in Manila. Before kami, in order for us to climb, we have to undergo the DNCs. The dangers of organizers who do joiners is nagsasama tayo ng mga ibang tao na hindi experience, which is gonna be very, very dangerous. On the other hand, sumasama sila kasi you have to understand this. If your kids are never exposed to nature, there is no way they're gonna protect it. Okay, do you understand that? Again, if you never expose your kids or the younger generation to the nature, they will never protect it. So good side and bad side. Okay, we all know what happened during COVID. We all are locked down, and everybody wants to go out. Okay. I'm just gonna cite one example in Luzon, where I come from. I won't name the place now. So I hope, I definitely hope and pray it doesn't happen here in Northern Mindanao. Okay. Do you know a famous mountain? In one day, how many people climb it? In one day, how many people?